Student, we will start a new chapter, the method of valuation of goodwill, or it is a valuation of goodwill, method of valuation of goodwill. So there is a three types of valuation of goodwill. One is average profit method. This is number one, is average profit method, and average profit also like two. One is simple average method, profit method, and one is weighted average profit method. So in average profit method there is a two method. One is simple average profit method, one is weighted average profit method. Second thing is the super profit method. Third thing is a capitalization method. In capitalization method there is a two types of method. One is capitalization of average profit method and capitalization of super profit method. So average profit, super profit and capitalization. Average profit there is a two type of method. One is simple average and another is weighted average. Capitalization method there is also two. One is capitalization of average profit method and capitalization of super profit method. Now what will be the formula? Actually this chapter is based on formula. So how will calculate these average profit methods? See, there is a questions average profit method. Very carefully you should follow this. Average profit method. See, there is a 3 years given, 2014-15, 15-16 and 16-17. There is a profit of 1 lakh. In the year 2015 there is a 1,10,000 and in the year 2016 there is a profit of 80,000. So in 1 lakh the profit here, the profit is include the abnormal gain. So actually we have to extract the exact profit. So how will calculate the extract or profit? So for that purpose the correct, there is a 1 lakh profit but it is not a correct profit. So how will calculate? The format will be, the profit is there, profit is given, this is the format you can say, add abnormal loss or expenses which we will have to add. In case of abnormal loss and expenses, give some example. Loss on sale of assets, will not consider it. And in less, it is an abnormal gain. Abnormal gain, you have to less it. So this will be your correct net profit or profit. So in that way we have to find out the correct net profit. After that we can average it. So in that particular of sum, you see there is a 1 lakh including abnormal gain. So if there is any abnormal gain, so we have to less it. See my format again, the abnormal gain is have to be less. So the correct net profit for the year 2015, the correct net profit for the year 2015, the correct net profit, see there is a 1 lakh but there is abnormal gain. So abnormal gains have to be less. So for the year 2015 the correct net profit is 90,000. In the year 15-16, after charging an abnormal loss, so you always know that abnormal loss you have to add. So in that particular sense, so 1,10,000 is our profit, 1,10,000 is our profit, and 20,000 you have to add. See that. So the correct net profit is 1,30,000, and in the year 2016 there is no profit, there is no adjustment. So 80,000 directly we can put. So the total profit is how much? Add all these things, so it will come 3 lakhs, and the average means add all these 3 and divided by, because there is a 3 years, so it will be 3 lakhs by 3, that is 1 lakh. So this is the average profit. Now how will find out the goodwill? See, there is a firm goodwill. see the questions properly. There is a firm's goodwill. There is a firm's goodwill which is last 3 years normal profit averages the profit value 2 years purchase. This point is remember 2 years purchase. So first you have to see the 2 years purchase means the average profit is 1 lakh. So the goodwill is equals to 2 years purchase of 3 years average. So 3 years average is 1 lakh and 2 years purchase mean into 2. Just you have to multiply by 2. The answer will be 2 lakh. So this is the simple average profit method. Thank you so much.